Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. Stained coffee cups getting you down in the morning? Well, let's see how to fix them. I'm going to do 3 of them. I'm going to put just plain hot water in one. I'm going to put a little bit of soap, dish soap, and some hot water. This one I'm going to put a little bit of white vinegar and hot water. And you do want to be careful when you're using the vinegar because it's acid, so it can etch. So you definitely don't want to do that with a plastic cup. And just be careful to dilute it pretty well. And then I'm going to, the last one, I'm going to use dish soap and the vinegar and the hot water. And so we're going to soak those for a while and see how we make out. Okay. And take this one, just put hot water in it. This one are going to have some dish soap in them. Let's add some vinegar to this one and to this one. And then I'm going to fill them all up with the hot water. I'm going to let them soak. Okay, so we have hot water and soap, hot water and vinegar, and hot water, soap, and vinegar. So we're going to let those all set and see what we get. So I'm going to take the one that just had the water in it, and I am going to take a, this is a knitted washcloth. I like it because it has ridges on it, and maybe we'll make one of those in another video. But let's see how this works out. Okay, that's not too bad, but I would probably soak that again. I got a lot of it off, but there's still quite a bit there. Next, I'm taking the one that has soapy water in it, and I'm going to clean that one up. See how this one comes out. Okay, this one came out quite good. I didn't spend a lot of time on it. I could touch it up. I am going to rinse out my cloth though because I don't want to contaminate my next one with the soap. So I'd say that one looks really quite good. So now I'm going to take the one that had water and vinegar in it and try that one. This one also came out quite nicely. This is a good alternative to soap. I know some die-hard drinkers would skin you alive for putting soap in your cup. So vinegar makes a nice alternative, cleans all the odors, but it is a little bit acidic, so you want to make sure you rinse that out real well. And thirdly, I have the vinegar and the soap with the water. And as expected, that one came out quite clean, quite quickly, because it had both the soap and the vinegar in there. So if you want it done quicker, that's probably the easiest way.